How to hide your Instagram followers or following list. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can make your followers or following section on Instagram private. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. It really supports me a lot. Now, if you're wondering how to keep your followers or following hidden, meaning when someone visits your Instagram profile and taps on those sections, they won't be able to view them, the only method available is by switching your account to private. When your profile is private, only the people you personally approve as followers will have access to see your content. And once they're accepted, they'll also be able to view both your followers list and your following list. So keep in mind, there isn't a way to hide these from everyone. The restriction applies only to people who are not on your approved followers list. To set your account to private, open your Instagram profile, then tap the three lines in the top right corner to get into the settings menu. After that, scroll until you find the option called Account Privacy. Tap on it. From there, simply switch on the Private Account option. You'll see a note explaining that when your account is private, only people you approve can see your posts, your followers, and the list of accounts you follow. Just confirm that you want to activate private mode, and from that moment on, whenever someone visits your profile without being an approved follower, both your followers and following lists will remain hidden. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to leave a like on the video.